Hello, my name is R.W. Sebastian, and I have been teaching computer science for approximately, well, I guess 21 years, which is quite a little while. I teach at the secondary as well as the post-secondary level, and I keep getting hired back, so that would give me the impression that I'm not making large mistakes. No, I mean, I will, let's see, I'm trying to think. Why am I interesting? I have a bachelor's degree. I have 2 master's degrees. One instructional design and technology. I have various computer science stuff that goes along with those. And I do truly enjoy helping students that especially want to help themselves. I understand the desire to succeed and move beyond your realm. I am the first for my family to go to college, and I truly enjoy my work and my job. I'm a nerd. I used to be a video game nerd, but I have graduated. I now play what I consider to be nifty board games, and we're not talking about Parcheesi either. We're talking about things like Mythic Battles Pantheon, things that get closer to maybe war games, maybe Warhammer 40K, but I don't play that anymore. It's far too expensive. Alien Frontiers, some games by Shem Phillips. If I'm talking a foreign language right now, it's because you've probably never heard of any of these things. And I also do some miniature painting and some things along those lines. So do not hesitate to contact me. Do not hesitate to ask questions. I will work with you to the best of my ability to ensure that you are successful in this course. Thank you. It's good seeing you.